Okay, so let's quickly go to Chrome. We'll go to Canva to create one. So click on your Chrome browser, search for Canva. All right, go ahead and search for Canva. This is Canva. Click on it this way. Canva. If you don't have an account, they'll ask you to create one. Okay, so this is my own account. So when you get to Canva, what you are going to do is to click on the search bar, this place that says search template. Click on it this way and click on YouTube banner. Okay, click on YouTube banner this way, YouTube channel banner. Okay, click on it this way. All right, so this thing is going to bring out so many YouTube banners for you. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one is very nice. So let's use this first one. Though there are so many, look at this one. So you can pick the one that maybe the color goes with your brand color. Okay, you can pick it. So I actually love this one because I'm generating a new brand. Okay, I'm creating a new channel. So I'll be going with this first one. Let me go with this first one. All right, so what you have to do now is to click on it this way. So when you click on it this way, this is it. Click on it again. Okay, now it is going to appear here. Immediately it appears here, what you are going to do now is to start editing it. This is a template. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is click on this picture here. Okay, so when you click on the picture, it's going to bring you to this place. Now you can go ahead and click on upload files. It will take you to a place where you have to insert your own picture. Let me click on it for you to see. When you click on upload files, okay, it's going to bring you to this place. Go ahead and click on photos and videos. Okay, this will take you to your gallery where you are going to choose from your images. Okay, it's going to take you to this particular interface here, so you can pick from your images. Do you get? You can pick from your images when it brings you to this place. Okay, you can pick here from any this thing you want, but I actually don't want to pick from my gallery because I have image here, the one I want to use. So I'll go ahead and click on this one. Okay, I'll click on this one and it's going to appear here. You can see it here, right? You can see the way it has appeared here, right? So go ahead and click on it. Okay, this is it. Click on it and then this is it. It has appeared. This is the image I want to use. You can adjust it to fit into the circle properly. Okay, you can even enlarge it if you want to. You can enlarge it this way to fit into the box properly. All right, so when you are done, the next thing to do is to go with the name. Okay, click on the name this way, click on edit here below and then erase this and put your name. So let's say the name I used on the new YouTube channel is Grow with Ella, right? So that's the name that will be here, Grow with Ella. Okay, so click on this place. Okay, you click on it this way. This is gaming channel. I'm going to click on it and click on edit here because my own is not gaming channel, my own is AI. So I'm going to put AI, then I put tutorials, then maybe I can put growth. Okay, then I'm going to click on this side and you can see it, right? So I'm going to leave this thing that says subscribe because it's nice. So I'll leave it this way and the next thing to do is to click here at the top. Okay, when you click on this icon here, you come down and click on download. All right, click on download again and your image will be saved directly to your gallery. Okay,